Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. This is lesson 5 in our series on how to write an opinion essay. In this lesson, our learning objective is to be able to write that first paragraph in the body section of our essay. Let's get started. Okay, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. These are the objectives we want to achieve by the end of the lesson. So the first one is to be able to review the macro and micro features of an opinion essay. Then, to be able to use the Peel strategy to structure an awesome argumentative paragraph for the body section of our essay. And the next one is to be able to use effective sentence starters to up-level our essay and make it awesome. And the final one is to be able to innovate ideas and write a paragraph in our own words. All right, let's get moving. Okay, so let's start with a quick think, pair, share. If you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can brainstorm yourself. Can you remember the structure of an opinion essay? Do you know, or can you remember some of those micro features and grammar elements that go into an opinion essay? Spend a few minutes now, test the person next to you, or brainstorm yourself. Go. Okay, I hope that brainstorming session went well, and you now know the structure is introduction, body with those 3 arguments, and conclusion. And you also maybe thought of some of the micro features, things like adverbs of sequence, a mix of sentences, literary devices, and Peel. Okay guys, let's keep moving. Right, so our main objective today is to be able to use the Peel strategy to write an awesome argumentative paragraph for our essay. Now, if you haven't checked out the video on Peel on our channel, you should check it out now. But for a quick review, Peel stands for point, evidence, explain, and link. It's a great way to structure an argumentative paragraph, and we're going to use it today. Let's keep going. So in lesson 3, we used the awesome opinion essay planner to structure an opinion essay around the claim that we don't need to travel because we can learn as much from books and the internet. Now we brainstormed, we came up with 3 really strong reasons against this claim. And they were, number 1, that through travel, we can absorb cultural experiences. The next one was we can learn from new people. And then the final one we're going to argue in the body section is that we can use our 5 senses to learn about the world. So our objective today is to be able to write about that first argument, that we can travel to absorb cultural experiences. All right, let's learn. Okay, so we're going to use the Peel strategy today to write an awesome paragraph for that first argument about cultural experiences. Now, here's an example for you. So, if you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can brainstorm yourself. Can you spot and identify different elements of the Peel strategy? Is there a point? Is there evidence? Do we explain it, and do we link? Spend a few minutes now. Go. Okay guys, I hope you're able to identify and spot elements of that Peel strategy. Let's check out this paragraph annotated. Okay, so I hope you're able to spot some of the elements of the Peel strategy. So in this annotated paragraph, you can see our point clearly in yellow. My first reason why travel is important is because you can absorb cultural experiences that are authentic and current. Then we back up our point in green. We even use Smith 2014 as a reference using that APA style. Then in purple, there's a couple of paragraphs that explain our evidence and give more information to back up our point. And then finally, in blue, we have a linking sentence that links back to the claim that we disagree with about travel. Okay, over to you. So now that you've seen an example of an argumentative paragraph, go and draft your own paragraph using this to help you. You can innovate or change ideas or come up with your own ones. Okay, go. Okay, all right, now it's time for some independent learning. Now that you know how to write the argumentative paragraph or an opinion paragraph for the body section of your essay, we need to consolidate our learning by writing another one. Now remember, don't forget to use the peel strategy. You can even write the next reason that we brainstormed or come up with something yourself. Either way, remember, practice makes progress. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.